Remove screws. Remove the inner trim panel of the passenger seat. Remove more screws. Remove the trim panel of the passenger seat's armrest console. Remove the plastic buckle of the passenger seat's armrest console. Remove more screws. Remove the trim panel of the passenger seat's armrest console. Remove more screws. Remove the plastic plate at the bottom of the passenger seat's armrest console. Remove the trim panel of the driver's seat. Remove more screws. Remove the inner trim panel of the driver's seat. Remove more screws. Remove the trim panel of the driver's armrest console. Remove the plastic buckle of the driver's armrest console. Remove more screws. Remove more screws. Remove the bottom trim panel of the driver's armrest console. Remove the rear plastic cover panel. Remove the clips and screws of the driver's side central armrest console. Remove the clips and screws of the passenger seat's side central armrest console. Remove the AMI interface. Pull it outwards. Remove the plastic parts as shown in the video. Remove more screws. Lift the storage box. Unplug the AMI wire connector. Remove more screws. Remove the gear shift panel. Remove the button panel. Remove more screws. Remove the original flat frame. Remove more screws. Remove the central display. Remove more screws. Slightly pry out the decorative trims on both left and right sides of the central armrest console. Remove more screws. Lift the central armrest console upward. Unplug the wiring harness at the rear. Remove more screws. First lift the central armrest console upward, then pull it downward. Remove the screws of the trim panels on both left and right sides of the central armrest console. Then, remove them. Remove the original vehicle screen bracket. Remove the original one, touch start button. Remove the clip of the original one, touch start button. Take out the original vehicle at C unit and install it into our own. Install the clip of the original one, touch start button into our own. Install the original one or touch start button into our own. Plug in the wiring harnesses for direct connection. Install the metal brackets. Now start to install some screws. Connect the wiring harness. Fasten the GPS and 4G antennas. Plug in the air conditioning wiring harness. Insert the one or touch start button. Connect the wiring harness to our company's products. Install some more screws. Secure our company's products. Install the decorative trims on both sides of the central armrest console. Install some more screws. Restore the decorative trims. Route the USB cable and AMI cable of the central armrest console as shown in the video. Plug in the wires of the gear shift panel and restore it. Install the gear shift panel. Tighten the screws and install the plastic frame. Plug in the button wires and restore them. Installation completed.